Hi guys, hello and namaste everyone. So guys, in this video reel, let's see guidance with respect to from Mahabharat and Ramayana. Okay, the first message is universe from Mahabharat, and a very clear cut message that I'm able to sense from this picture is, can you see this chakra being, you know, move? It is moving, and here with presence of Lord Krishna, and we can consider as universe or divine energies, because a lot of them consider these gods as, universe and all, everyone, everything. Mm, so the message that I'm sensing over here is, he's watching you, he's watching, in fact, each and every one of us. This is what I am seeing, and accordingly his chakra is Sudarshan chakra, I could say, is moving accordingly. So with this message, what I am channeling is that please be humble. Even if you are at a very good position currently, be humble. Even if you're going through bad times, don't be very sad or so, because this chakra universe is always, moving, like it is observing you. And when that time comes, when your time comes, be it good time, be it bad time, accordingly you get the fruits, you get the result of it. So be very much careful, especially with respect to the karma that you are creating. This is what I'm feeding over here, this is what I'm sensing over here. So do consider it. uh, with this uh, shank in his hand, again I am sensing that he's observing a lot, and his Sudarshan chakra is moving accordingly. And with this shank present in this hand, I'm clearly sensing, you know, that he's just waiting for that right time. Like once he, uses it, and then there will be a change. So be very careful with respect to your karma. Sacrifice. So you have a bigger life purpose on this mother earth. Also, for achieving something, you also need to sacrifice few stuffs. This is what is being said. So if some things are going from your life, please let it go. Maybe something better, something good, something best that you actually deserve is coming towards you. Please think in that way. Please consider about it. Now you are, maybe you're feeling very sad, maybe angry or whatsoever, but later on you will understand why this happened. Do consider it, guys. Or some of the stuffs maybe you have to sacrifice, even if you don't wish.